What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today we're here at Hybrid Pit located in Buena Park, California. They are specialized in repairing, maintaining, and fixing up your Toyota Priuses. And we're very excited to bring our micro power amplifier, install it on one of their demo vehicles and having give it a try. And I know many of you followers here have already heard of Hybrid Pit and maybe already even made a visit to them. Now I'm excited to let you know that they will actually have our power amplifier so you can actually listen to the difference it makes to the factory stereo system. And just a little background about Hybrid Pit. They've been around for a pretty long time. They're a very, very reputable company servicing the Toyota Prius market in the Southern California area. And they will do everything from changing out your factory hybrid battery, upgrading to lithium ion, even just doing the normal maintenance, and even fixing up your Toyota Priuses to make it look very cool and drive the way you want it to drive. So very, very cool shop, very specialized, and they do a really, really good job. Really, really recommend them if you have a Toyota Prius. All right, well, that's the introduction to Hybrid Pit. Let's go ahead and dive into their Toyota Prius V, install our power amplifier, and do a before and after, show you how much of a difference it makes. All right guys, so now that we're in the car, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is let's go ahead and remove the shift knob. Let's go ahead and just turn it counterclockwise. Just keep turning until it comes off. And there it is. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and remove this panel piece here. You could use an assistance of a panel removal tool like this, or you could just place your finger over here and just pull out like so. All right, and then let's go ahead and just disconnect these connectors. We got one for the emergency light, one for your start button, and we got one for your parking gear. And next thing we want to do is we're going to remove this here and just use a panel removal tool. You can just pull it out. All right, here we go. Go ahead and set this aside, safe location. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove this vent right above the radio. Okay, there it is. All right, so best is to grab this here and pull it out towards you, and then it'll help unclip the rest of the clips. All right, so once all that's out, we got 4 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and remove all these 4 10mm bolts. All right, once we remove those 4 10mm bolts, we're gonna go ahead and just pull this out towards you. Okay. And we're gonna lay a thick towel or sweater or just some blanket right under here. Okay, so once we have the radio out, the connectors we're gonna be working on are just these two right here. So the harness here, this is a plug and play harness. It's only taking the power from your radio, so you don't have to route a separate cable all the way to your battery through the firewall, which actually helps save about 1 hour of install time. This is what makes this product so special, because it's very easy to install, very quick, and it makes the biggest difference ever. Here are the connectors. Okay, let's go ahead and we're gonna unplug these two and we're gonna connect it to our harness. So when you're working with these connectors, always push down a release tab and just pull on the connector. Do not pull on the wires. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and just daisy chain them together. Okay, like this. We're gonna connect the male side back to the radio. And these are all made using OEM constructed connectors, so everything's gonna go in very nicely. All right, there it is. Okay, and on the other end, we're gonna go ahead and connect this to our amplifier. All right. Okay, and then next, let's go ahead and connect this, the ground wire, to this bolt here. You could either use a Phillips screw or you can use an 8mm socket and loosen it, and we're gonna put it here to ground this cable. All right, everything is connected. We're gonna go ahead and test it out to make sure the sound's coming through without any issue. And we're gonna also tune the sound with this gain here. So let me go ahead and carefully push this back. Okay, up to a certain point without pinching any wires. All right, at the same time, let's connect all these connectors back, just so we don't throw any error codes. All right, power it up.
Taste, taste. You can get a taste. Taste, taste. Beamer Benz a Bentley. Beamer Benz a Bentley.
All right, so we just test to make sure everything's working as it should, and it sounds phenomenal. The upgrade is very, very worth this price. And we went ahead and kept the gain at maximum for this vehicle, and there's no cracking or no overwhelming of the speaker, so we thought this was good. So let me go ahead and find a good place for it behind the radio and reverse order everything we did, and that will conclude our installation. And so let me go ahead and do it now. All right guys, so we went ahead and installed it. We mounted it back there with a lot of double-sided tape so it won't move. And we reversed order everything we just did to remove the panels. And now, let's do our test and we'll do our comparison.
I'm fresh, I'm fly, I'm so damn high. More than 500 horses when I roll by. I'm calm, I'm cool, everything brand new. I don't handcuff, you can get the whole damn crew. I'm fresh, I'm fly, I'm so damn high. More than 500 horses when I roll by. I'm calm, I'm cool, everything brand new. I don't handcuff, you can get the whole damn crew. Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. Slide on the pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I'll be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no style, see you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man.
All right guys, well this concludes our installation and demonstration of our power amplifier to this Toyota Prius V. We're super excited about how much difference it makes. It's a night and day difference, super easy to install, and the price point is pretty good at under $300. So if you guys are looking for an easy stereo upgrade, no need to look further, go ahead and give our power amplifier a try. Thanks very much for watching, and if you haven't yet, help us by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.